Okay.
studying,
Yeah. May I know about your English learning journey? Yeah.
doing,
We try to
learning
learn
new
something
things,
new
trying to
every day.
involve.
Yes.
Yes. So I think that,
Effort for a positive
yes,
mindset. No need to any.
when
Yes.
you face your fear, that fear automatically also fade away while
Yes. Yes.
facing. I think while learning this language, actually we are learning so many things. I think you are inculcating a good hobbies or good habits in your life.
With
So it is,
feeling, that's
mm,
write down what type of emotion
yes,
we have.
feeling.
So that's I
Mm.
think.
Lalita,
Yes. Yes. Very good morning. Thank you so much accepting my request, and yeah, I'm also grateful for that. Yeah. So first of all, how are you? Yeah.
yes, I am doing great. And what about you? How are you doing today?
Okay. Thank you for asking. Yeah, I'm also pretty well. And
Or
yes, yes. Please
do you?
introduce.
Okay, sure. My name is Swati, and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I am a
Okay.
homemaker, mother to one kid. And
Okay.
if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading, listening to music, watching movie, and playing badminton also. And apart from this, I recently started my journey with YouTube, where I post some conversation video and solo video regarding English.
So how is weather there?
Yes, some side. Like nowadays, winter is going on, and morning and the evenings are a bit, cold. But this time it's a sunny days and it's present day nowadays. So, how is
Okay.
the weather in your side
Yeah, it is
right
also
now?
yeah sunny day, but now I can say little bit I'm habitual of a sweater,
Okay.
so I wear this. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so I
So
can
we
imagine just in
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yes, inside our home, like we feel some cold, but
yes,
outside we
yes,
don't need to wear sweaters, but
yes,
need to
yes.
warm clothes. Yeah. What did motivate you to start, this regarding like English language? What motivated you to, learn this language, to speak this language?
Okay. So actually, I also have a strong desire to learn this language. I can say since childhood, but that time not that type of exposure. So I'm not yeah
Yes,
learning this. But now I can say without step out, we learn at home. So
yes.
that's I
Mm.
think right time to learn this language. So that's why.
Yes, because okay, so your education from English medium or Hindi medium?
Yes, yes. All are Hindi medium.
Okay, that's maybe a bit difficult for you. But my education is from, English medium, but I never got that kind of, exposure in my life or in my surrounding or not in school. We always
Okay.
spoke with our teacher in Hindi only that time
So may I
when I
know
was
about
studying.
yeah, may I know about your English learning journey? Yeah.
Yes, I also started recently, speaking because speaking and, if you studied in English medium, it's doesn't matter, because speaking is really very different. You need to
Yes,
speak
yes.
if you want to be speak, so you need to practice more and more, and then you able to speak. And I recently started like this year only,
Yes,
January,
yes.
and in Feb, 25 Feb, I started my YouTube channel and. Started to emailing to different YouTuber, those who were also, like is also working on their English. So
Yes,
I
yes.
started to emailing them and connecting them. And in this way, I also, built some confidence. Like you said
Yes.
that initially we were very, hesitant to
Yes.
speak. But with time, over time, we feel like, yes, no a day we are able to speak, we are able to express ourselves. So with time, I also, started my journey with in this year only to
Yes,
speak.
yes.
Before
Yes.
that, I have a knowledge about, English grammar, how to write. Even I also understand if the speaker is speaking, I can easily understand what they are speaking, but not able to speak. But with
Yes,
practice,
yes.
and I'm able to, speak nowadays.
Yes,
But
yes.
making mistake is a part of learning. I make so many mistakes while speaking, but it's okay. In
Yes,
this
yes.
way, we will, learn day by day.
Yes. I
So yes,
also yes. So I also go through your channel. So yes, you connected with I can say so many YouTubers and actually English
yes,
Yari also. Yeah. In starting with
yes,
English
English
Yari.
Yari. I took 8 sessions from English Yari. because
Okay, okay.
I was not able to, express myself. So I thought that I should, take some session from, tutor where I can build my confidence. And then they said that you are able to speak, you need only practice. So
Okay,
after,
okay.
completion of those session, I started to emailing different YouTuber, those who are
Yes, yes.
also, learning this language. So yes,
Yes, yes.
in this way, I am right now doing good,
Okay,
I
okay.
think.
Amazing, I can say, yeah.
Not very good, but if I compare myself the earlier one, so yes, I can say that today I am doing, good if I compare to the earlier one.
Yes, yes,
So,
definitely.
mhm,
Yeah.
yes.
Actually, you also like reading. So, which type of book do you like most?
Okay. When I started my journey, I also recently inculcated this habit of reading, and that time I started to read self-help book mainly, like
Okay, okay.
Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Subconscious Mind, The Power of Self-Discipline, and like Ikigai. These type of the books, like
Okay,
self-help
okay.
book. Mostly
Okay,
I
okay.
try to
Amazing.
read, and I also feel like boring while reading, but I'm trying to, inculcate this habit. And
Yes,
I'm
yes.
also more into, listening
Okay,
audiobook,
okay.
as you said that you also likes to, read or listen audiobooks. So which type of the audiobooks you love to, listen?
Yeah, actually, I earlier I go with self-help, but now I can
Hmm.
say biography also, and yeah, alchemist, that type of also. Yeah, another one. The seven habit of
So,
highly effective people. That, yeah.
okay, mostly self-help and autobiography.
Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, a topic also. So I can say importance of mindset. Yeah.
Okay, importance of mindset.
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you
Mm-hmm.
feel in what is the importance of mindset in, yeah, I can say this language and regarding you. So yeah.
Yes, yes. I must say that mindset really helpful if we have a very positive mindset, and that really helpful for us and in our journey of anything, whatever the skill we are learning. If we are, have a positive mindset and very, working, or if we have a, direction towards our goal, that we can definitely, achieve faster. If we have a negative mindset, that time we always think about only doing the things, but we are not, not doing any things. But if you have a positive mindset and active mindset, so you definitely, achieve your goal, achieve your fluency. And as you know that we are both working towards our, level up our English language. So yes, positive mindset really helpful. If you have a very positive mindset and active mindset, and you have a, direct, like a direction, what is the crucial method to learn this language? So yes, positive mindset really helpful.
Yes.
So you tell me about your perspective, like on,
Okay.
mindset.
So actually, I think mindset is a state of mind.
Mhm.
Yeah. And
Yes,
after
yes,
I
yes.
think two type of mindset. Uh,
Mm.
Growth mindset and yeah, fixed mindset,
Yes,
yeah.
fixed. Yes. Mm.
So growth mindset, yeah, positive also. So I
Mm.
think both are different, a little bit, I can say
Mm-hmm.
little bit different, but positive and growth mindset, like we are learning something new every day, so that is uh, growth
Mm.
mindset. And
Yes, yes.
positive also we have actually, and yeah, fixed mindset, the opposite of that, that not learning new thing and fixed. That's the fix.
Fixed. That is fixed. And
Yes,
in fixed mindset, people don't want to learn new things. They are fixed
yes,
with
yes,
their mindset.
yes,
They are actually very satisfied with their mindset. They don't want to learn
yes,
new things.
yes,
When we grown up, some people, have their fixed mindset. They don't want to learn new things. They only want to,
yes.
satisfied whatever they are at their position. So I
Yes,
think we have a kind of growth mindset. That's why at this age, after
yes.
getting married, after having babies, we are doing,
We try to
learning
learn
new
something
things,
new
trying to
every day.
evolve.
Yes.
Yes. So I think that we both, like those who are doing something in their life, they have that kind of
Yes.
growth mindset or positive mindset. So
And
yes,
and
people
I
mostly those who are grown up, they have a kind of fixed mindset.
and
So yes.
yes, the second
So is there
also.
any question that related to this?
Yes, actually,
Mhm.
second also I can say positive and negative. That's also I can say positive
Mm. Yes.
mindset is good. Uh, we have actually try to negative mindset. We don't have I can say negative. Don't do something for update yourself, and so that time you are negative already. But if you doing something for yeah
Yes.
for yourself, so that time. Positive I can say. We have effort for a positive
Yes.
mindset, no need to any effort to definitely you are negative. So that's also I can say
Positive mindset and growth mindset really helpful for the people, those who wants to evolve in their life, those who are working on any skills, so they can do faster, they can do learn faster.
yes,
Yes. And sometimes people, feel bored while doing the same kind of things again and again.
yes,
Like we are learning this language and we have to be consistent. And every single day we have to, listen, speak, and read, write. Whatever the person is doing in their life, they have to be consistent. Every single day
yes,
they have to
and
take step to be
yes, actually
consistent.
enjoy
And some people,
enjoy enjoy
yes, some
this
people feel
language.
bored.
Yes,
Yes. And people don't, enjoy the process. They
y-
also, focus on the result. They want a, good result in a very short span
short
of
period.
time. So they, in between, they stop to be consistent. So I think that's why people, like as you said, that fear of making mistake, fear of judgment. Why? That's why people, stop in between doing the things. So yes, fear of
Maybe.
judgment and doing the same stuff at again and again. They also feel bored.
And yeah,
So yes,
mindset
yes,
according to actually work on your mindset also. That's also important to
mm,
learn
yes,
anything, not only this language,
yes.
anything you learn
Mm,
new. So that's the work on your mindset.
mm.
That's also important. That's I feel so far.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes, those people who are working on their mindset, actually they are, progressing very fast. And
Yes,
I
yes,
think people don't know, about the mindset. And those people who are, learning or listening these type of the concept. And we are
yes,
also,
yes.
I also didn't know about this kind of, mindset, what is mindset. And after learning this language, I come across these kind of concept, mindset and psychology, so
Yes, yes.
consistency, discipline, so many things we come across by learning this language. I think while learning this language, actually we are learning so many things.
Things. Yes, yes. I also
Books. Which book you recently, in the morning which book you were, listening?
listening. Okay. So Seven Habit, the
Hmm.
highly effective people. So, Seven Habit of Highly
Okay,
Effective
nice.
People. Yeah, that's I listen today morning.
Hmm.
And in this book, I
Hmm.
can say two type of people. Uh, the
Okay.
proactive and reactive. Reactive people
Hmm.
always try to small thing I can say and complain. What is yeah react
Okay.
everything I can say in happen in area
Hmm.
around us. So yeah,
Yes.
that's reactive and
Hmm.
opposite I can
Hmm.
say reactive I can say small thing why this happened with me, why I'm
Hmm.
doing this. Yeah, so that's
Yes.
and in I can say reactive and proactive. So proactive opposite of this.
Yes.
So
And
we
they are
try
also,
to
they don't,
yes
yes,
we
maybe
try
they
to
don't focus on so much complaining. They are
yes, yes,
also so much focus on the positive, positive
yes,
things, whatever they have in their life.
yes, yes.
They are, like, okay,
What type of practice you activity you do for improving your English?
okay, sure. I will tell you that what type of the practices. Like nowadays, I am more into listening content in English and speaking with one YouTuber in a day. And sometime I, talk with myself, and sometime I make my own video, record my video. And I also do shadowing practice. at least 10 minutes a day. I choose one video and try to shadowing him or her, whatever the video. I try to match my voice and match my tone with them so that I'm able to speak with them. So shadowing, listening and speaking and talk with myself. Yes, so these type of practice nowadays. And reading is also one of my hobby, but nowadays I'm not able to do because last week I was busy in my cousin sister marriage. So this is my first video call with you after a week. So I was just uploading the earlier video that I had made. So yes,
You
so nowadays I am more into listening these type of activities.
you like
So tell me
badminton
about
also?
your daily routine.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yes, I also love to play badminton in the evening.
Okay.
Yes, with my son, sometime with my friends and husband also when he is present at home.
Yeah, and in
Yes.
my case, actually, I also like badminton, but I used to
Okay.
with my brother, and now after marriage,
Okay.
I also with my brother-in-law. Yeah,
Okay,
yes,
nice. I think playing badminton is also good for physical
and
health.
mental both are,
In
yeah,
this way,
very
we
good.
can,
More focus
you know,
on, yes,
mental
yes,
also. Hmm.
yes,
And it is very easy to play.
yes, yes,
Hmm. So I think every female, love to play badminton.
yes,
Easy
yes.
to play and is we also enjoying while playing this game. So tell me, Lalita, what type of
In night time, I write down journal. That's also I
hmm.
start recently, and yeah, in morning time I can say
That's a great
the
habit that you are trying to inculcate.
yes, and
To write
in
down your thoughts.
yes
Hmm.
morning time I yes my list of gratitude. That's also I write down in morning time. Yeah,
Okay.
and
That's really great. I think you are inculcating a good hobbies or good habits in your life, like reading, like listening, and writing your journal. That's
yes
a good
I
way, I
try
think,
to
because we are people, don't want to, write and read. And I think you are really doing great. If you are writing your journal in the night, whatever you felt in a day or whatever you maybe you are writing those.
yes, yes.
Are you and write journal your thought? Is there any, particular method you are applying?
Actually, I also cultivate recently, so I also
Hello?
how to write. That's also I.
Okay.
But now I can say whatever in my mind,
Okay,
so
you
I
are
write down. Yeah.
like
Yes.
learning. You are learning. Hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, nice, nice. And when I started that time, I was also journaling my thought, whatever happened in a day, whatever I felt in a day. I also write down one pages, whatever comes to my mind. I write down. If I had a session in a day, I also write that
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Today I had a session with this person. I enjoyed. I
And
always try to write some good things, positive
yes.
things.
Yes. That's
Yes.
also, and yeah, with I can say feeling, with
So it is.
feeling, that's
Hmm.
write down what type of emotion
Yes,
we have.
feeling.
So that's I
Hmm.
think really important
Hmm.
in writing. Yeah.
Yes, it's really important to, when you write your emotion, actually you are putting out whatever inside your mind. I think this
Yes.
also
Yes.
help you to calm your mind.
Yes.
So many
Yes.
emotion in our, mind, we are not able to, control. If we are able to
Yes.
write, that time we feel yes, we
Yes.
have, have calm mind that time.
Yes. Yes.
So that's a great hope. And
Yes. Shall we wrap up the session? Yeah.
me on your session. It was such a great session with you, and I really love to talk with you. And please send me the recording also.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yes, we will connect again and we will talk on some topic.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you so
Because
much.
today I think something, network issue that time.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you so
Give
much
me
to
your
you.
precious time, and I'm always
Uh,
grateful for that. Yeah. Okay.
we
Bye.